Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to say thank you for allowing me to have the time off, basically to put down and grieve my dog of 12 years. I really needed that time. It was hard to go through, but we're back. Took about 2 weeks off, and we're back. I have a lot of subscription boxes to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to do. And 2 of them are your nail lab because one of them got delayed and I'm way behind. But today we are doing a your nail lab box. Let me pull it up. Let's see. Okay, so it says, how does it work? Getting nail products shouldn't be hard, and this is where we come in. You can choose between the regular box for $25 a month or the Luxe box for $35 a month, and you'll get a specially curated box of Makartt nail products delivered right to your door each month. Let me see if I can go to, yeah, so you choose your box, you pick from the regular deluxe. You can do 3 or 6 months now for prepay, or you can just do monthly. That's what I do. It's curated for you. Our nail stylists will curate a special box for you with full-size Makartt products each month, monthly delivery. Each month, your nail lab subscription box will arrive right at your doorstep. Free shipping is always on us. Time to create, time to get creative and create your nails using the products in the box. Don't forget to show us. # your nail lab. Yeah, so I have the Luxe box, so it's $35 a month, I believe. Oh shoot, let me see what month this box is. Just gonna look up my videos real quick. Oh, it's been a minute. So this is December. Oh my god, and we're all the way in February. So I'm like behind. This is the December box. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. Okay guys, so when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. Let me move it. I'll just move it out of the way. Okay, so the first thing I see it says Beauty and Salon Nail Art. It does not say what it is. They look like rings. I don't know if you can see, they just look like butterfly rings. But like, oh, maybe it's like swatch polish. So like you put the ring around the polish and the colors on the butterfly. That's what I'm thinking. So that's those. The next thing I see is Awesome Color Nail Extension Gel, so poly gel. So we have, oh, can I even see? Well, it is 15 grams fluid, or 0.53 fluid ounces. Is that the number? So we've got AC12-1, AC12-2, and AC12-3. So let's do 1 first. Opening with nails is going to be a struggle. It looks like a clearish pink. I think these are all like cover pinks. Ooh. And as always, I'm struggling with everything. So that's number 1. Let's do number 2. It looks more peachy from the cover of the bottle, or the color on the bottle. Okay. So that's this color. Again, hard to see. It just looks, I think it's just a more peachy, like clear cover pink. And then number 3, it looks even darker and peachier. And looks pretty much the same in there, but I'm sure they all look different once swatched. I just don't have any swatch sticks for these. So that's those. And then the next thing I see are these little, oh, these would have been perfect for Valentine's Day, but it's like a tan fluffy heart, a white one, a pink one, and a black one. And the next thing I see are these pearls in different shapes. So it looks like there's a circle, heart, a bow, a star, different colored bow and heart, moon, another circle, and a different type of bow. Show you that. And the next thing is this little wheel of gems. And it looks like gold and diamond. There's a square, a teardrop. You can't see what that one is. An oval. Is it a cube? Just lots of different shapes. And then there's like a bunny thing in there. And a money sign. So there's that. And then there is this thing of glitters. It looks like different colored snowflakes, hearts, and stars in there. Perfect for encapsulating. And then there is this. Let's see if I can get this one out. My cat is right by my ring light watching me film. If you can hear him, he makes funny noises. Okay, so this one, it looks like white snowflakes. I don't even know if you can see it against there. The snowflakes in gold. And the snowflakes in silver. Let me just take the rest of this stuff out of the box. Okay, we have another thing of glitters. I have something similar to these I've done in other types of boxes, but it looks like iridescent butterflies or like silvery butterflies, circles, triangles, squares. I'm not even sure what that is, but it reminds me of the Twitter symbol. Stars. What is that? Snowflakes, diamonds, the stars again, moons, apples, and another type of snowflake. Okay. And let me get this trash out of the way. So we have those, and then we have a white polygel. This is in a bigger bottle, and this one is Makartt. It is 50 milliliters or 1.76 fluid ounces. And like I said, this one is in white. It's in a bigger bottle than the other ones. I can't tell if you guys can see my cat or not. He's right here. Oop. And this one, you can tell, is very opaque. It's a white. It says, yeah, it just says white. It doesn't have like a number. It literally just says it's called white. And then we have another one. This one is Lilac Gray. It looks like another cover pink. Get my scissors. Okay. Let's see if I can get this stuff break open. Okay, this one is the same size. It is 50 milliliters or 1.76 fluid ounces, and the color is Lilac Gray. Here's the bottle. And let's take this little thing off. And that is the color. It's a lot easier to see in the white containers. It's like a light peachy pink, kind of similar to the other colors. I just realized this box didn't come with a card. Usually it comes with a card telling you like if there's any collabs or anything like that. Alright, next I'm going to turn on my Kiara Sky Lamp because we have the gel polish duets. Okay. My cat's enjoying playing with the trash. Okay. So we have nude pink and lilac gray. And these are Soak Off UV Gel Polish, 8 milliliters and 0.27 fluid ounces. Let's make some space, get my swatch sticks. Okay. So we will write Makartt Gel Lilac Gray. And then just swatch it. I feel like it's a gray with just like the slightest purple tint to it. I think I'm just gonna do one coat. So I'm gonna stick that in the lamp. Oops. I'm gonna have to press it. Okay. And then for the next one, Makartt Gel Nude Pink. And we'll do one coat for this one as well. And this one I would say is more like a cream. Yeah, it looks just like a cream. I don't see any pink hue to it. And the other one had barely a purple hue to it. Stick that in there, I'll just restart the timer. Okay. So let's go over everything we got in the box. Of course, these 2 gel polishes, which I'll show you the swatch sticks in a minute. 2 large size polygels. 3 smaller polygels. 3 things of nail stickers or decals. I dropped one thing. Okay. This pack of glitter. All these embellishments, the pearl shapes, the parts, these different shaped things. I believe these are swatch sticks for polish. More glitters. So as always, I think it's well worth the price. Yeah, for $35 you get all this stuff. I think it's worth it. I enjoy the Luxe box. I have never tried the regular box, so I couldn't really say like how much better it is. Oh, let me show you these. So this is Lilac Gray. And then Nude Pink. But as I was saying, I've never tried the regular box, so I can't really say how much different it is. All I know is I've been super happy with Your Nail Lab since I started subscribing. Everything I receive I'm always so happy with, and I genuinely enjoy Makartt products. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm a little rusty, I guess, from taking time off, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more. I hope to see you in my next one. There'll be tons of unboxings coming. I'll probably upload 2 today, we'll see. At least film 2 today. And I'll have more videos coming with other subjects once I get caught up on my subscription box. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye.